to our supplied radio parts the other day about questions I've been having from customers about different audio solutions, and they've given me a few things to look at, which I found quite interesting and some really good solutions. This soundbar, this Yamaha soundbar, sound out of this is really good. Connected to your TV. Some of the TVs these days, I've found that the speakers aren't really that.
The television get thinner and thinner, the speakers get smaller and smaller.
That's exactly right, and this is a really good solution for that because you can install it under your TV. It looks quite neat. You can use it for your TV, but you can also connect it to your phone with your music cast app.
You can connect all your speakers together with the music cast app. So you've got the outside speakers there, and the lounge speakers there, and you control your volume of either zone. Just bringing that up out on your phone.
I know what you're talking about, because it was the gentleman at Radio Park was talking about this amplifier, which that'll allow us to connect different speakers in different rooms. So we can have a set of speakers outside, a set in the kitchen, and a set in the lounge room.
These big speakers outside will do your outside sounds.
That would be great.
That's right, you can control that off that app, can't you?
You can, you control it. Any speakers you put through this, via that app.
That sounds really good. Another thing you were talking about, with these really nice homes these days, with all the downlights, and you don't want to see too many things on the ceiling. And you were saying these little speakers in some of the smaller rooms and hallways are really good and they integrate well with what's on your ceiling.
They look like a downlight. Yeah.